Good afternoon, children.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. How are you all? Fine?
Fine, ma'am.
Okay, children, I have
Fine,
sent the
thank you.
notes. Okay, notes of ascending order and descending order. Have you written the notebook?
Ma'am. Yes,
Have you written in the notebook?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Good
Then what about the homeworks? Which was the homework? Question number?
Number
18. Yes?
19.
Have you completed question number 18?
19.
Ah.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes?
18 and 19
Okay.
also.
I hope all of you have completed till
Yes,
19.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now I'm going to mute everyone.
Ma'am, did they
I will call one by one. So Aditi, tell me how many questions you have completed, Aditi?
Till 19.
We have finished till 19. Okay. So can you read question number 20? Yes, Aditi? Please read question number 20. All the children, please take page number 25, workbook. Aditi is going to read question number 20.
Arrange the given numbers in descending order.
Arrange the given numbers in descending order. What do you mean by descending? Descending.
Greatest to the smallest.
Greatest to smallest. So we have done like these questions in question number 17. Biggest to smallest, that is decreasing order, and we know ascending order. Juan, tell me what do you mean by ascending order? Ascending means what? Yes, Juan, please unmute. Celine, please unmute.
Yes,
Ascending, ascending order.
Small to big.
Small to big. So you know what is ascending means small to big. That is increasing order. Now question number 20, you have to find descending. Descending means decreasing order. Okay. So children, biggest to smallest. Can you do alone? First, we are going to finish this chapter now. Okay. So all the children, you are going to do question number 20. Question number 20. And page number 25. Page number 25, question number A. Navaneet, did you get the question?
Yes, ma'am.
How many digits are there in question number A? How many digits in each number? Navaneet? How many digits?
5.
5. So all the numbers have, okay, very good. All the numbers have 5 digits. Okay. So if all the numbers have same number of digits, what you have to do? You have to compare with the highest place value. Which is the highest place value, Sarah? We have 5 digit number. So which is the highest place value?
5.
Highest place value. 5 digit number has 10,000. Yes? 10,000 is the highest place value. Okay, tell me the answer. We have to, yes. Sarah, which number will be coming first? Question number 20A.
42710.
Very good. 42710. Can you read this number?
Yes.
Yes. Read the number.
42,710.
710. Very good. 42,710. Okay. Next. Next number.
42170.
42170. Very good. 42,170. Okay. After that.
33,690.
33690. 33,690. Okay. Then one more. The last number. Which is the last number?
32,619.
Very good. Okay, children. So we have 42,710 is the first number. That is the greatest number. And which is the smallest? 32,690. 90. So this is the decreasing order. Niranjan, can you tell me B? Question number B.
90351.
90351. Very good. 90351. How to read this number?
90,351.
90,351. Very good. So here also we have all the numbers have 5 digits. Yes. Next number?
88651.
88651. Okay. Then
87325.
87325.
83952.
83951. Okay. 83,951. Okay, children. Do 7 and question number C and D faster. Alone. All these questions, we have to arrange the given numbers in descending order. And you know what is descending? Descending means greatest to smallest. Tanvi, please unmute and give me the answer of question number C. Here also all the numbers have 5 digits.
63152.
Very good. 63152. 63152. Then
62415.
check again.
63142.
Okay, 63412. Okay, children. So when you do this, if you have if you finish one number, you can cross. Otherwise, you will miss some numbers in between. Okay, you can cross with your pencil. Then okay. Then Tanvi, next number. Not able to unmute. Ryan, please unmute and tell me. Huh?
And I will tell.
Okay, then tell fast. Ryan will tell me question number D. Okay. Yes, Tanvi, fast. 62. That time you told no. 62.
62413.
First tell me.
62413.
That is the last number. I am writing only third number. 62415. That you told before, no? So when you arrange, you have to write the number here. 62415. Then 62413. Okay. I hope all of you got the correct answer. Yes. Decreasing number. That is mean by descending order. Okay. The last one. Ryan. Yes. Ryan, fast. Please unmute. Question number
53421.
1 minute. Let me take another color here. D. Okay.
53421.
Very good. 5, 3, 4, 2, 1. Can you read this number?
53,421.
421. Very good. Next.
53241.
53241.
53,241.
241. Okay, very good. Next.
52914.
52914.
52,914.
14. Okay.
52641.
641.
52,641.
641. Okay. So children, we have finished question number 20, A, B, C, D. Children, please check whether your answer is correct or wrong. We have done, this is as descending order.
Ma'am, my
Okay, children.
all has
Finished?
correct. Yes.
All correct? Yes, children?
Yes, ma'am.
So
Yes,
I hope
ma'am.
all the children completed
Yes,
question
ma'am.
number
Yes, ma'am.
20. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now question number 21, Janvi. Before I will mute everyone. Janvi, please unmute. Read question number 21. All the children, please pay attention. We are going to do one puzzle. Yes.
I am a 5-digit number.
Okay, I am a 5-digit number. So you have to find out one 5-digit number. Okay. Then
My hundredth digit is 2 times my tens digit, and my tens digit is 3 times my ones digit.
okay.
My 10,000th digit is thrice my tens digit. If
Yes.
my digit is 2 more than my hundredth digit, and my ones digit is 1,
1. Who am I?
I.
Okay. So you have many things and you are getting confused. So what we'll do? Yes, children, you will make one small place value chart. And you will check which one I know. I don't know 100 digit, 10s digit, but it is written my ones digit is. My ones digit is. Janvi, please look at the last line and tell me which is the ones digit. My ones
1.
digit is
1.
1. Very good. We know ones digit. So all the children, you will draw one place value chart of question number in question number 21. Question number 21. I'm going to draw one place value chart. That will help me to identify my number. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000 and 10,000. And we are going to place the numbers inside. Okay, so Janvi told me one's digit is 1. Okay, one's digit is 1. Risa, can you please turn on your video? Risa? Risa is here? Risa? Srihari, please unmute.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Now, one's digit is 1. Now, I had to write tens. Can you look here? What is said about tens digit is? My tens digit is 3 times my ones digit. 3 times my ones digit, and you know ones digit is 1, and 3 times 1. What is 3 times 1? Srihari is here. 3 into 1. Yes, Nasriya. Please unmute and tell me.
3.
3 into 1 is 3. I think there is some connection problem with Srihari. Okay. Now, Nasriya, continue. 100 digit. What is written about 100 digit? My 100 digit is 2 times my tens digit. 2 times my tens digit. Tens digit is 6, 3. 2 into 3. 2 times tens digit. 2 into 3. Nasriya, 2 into 3? 6. So I got my 100 digit. Okay. Dia, what is written about thousands, please? My thousands digit is 2 more than my 100 digit. My 100 digit is 6. 2 more than. 2 more than means what? We have to add. 2 plus 6. Yes, Dia?
8.
8. So I got my thousands digit. 8. Okay. Very good. 8. Okay, Mayug.
1, 3,
Mayug, unmute and tell me what about my 10,000 digit?
10,000 digits is thrice my tens digit.
My
Thrice.
10, it's written, my 10,000 digit is thrice my tens digit. Thrice means 3 times. Look here, tens digit. Tens digit is 3. 3 times 3. What is 3 times 3, Mayuk? 3 into 3?
9.
9. Okay. So I got my number 9, 8, 6, 3, 1. Can you read this number, Mayuk? 9, 8, 6,
98,000.
98,000.
631.
631. Very good. Okay. So children, when you read this number, it is very confusing. But when you start with which digit you know, that you know your ones digit, that is 1. Then all the clues they are given. You can find your number by reading the question properly. Here, one's digit is 3. One's digit is 1. And what about my tens digit? Tens digit is 3 times 1. So that is 3. What about 100 digit is 2 times tens digit. So 2 into 3, 6. Like that we got our 5-digit number. And how to read this number? 98,631. All of you got the answer? Any doubt? Any doubt for this question?
No, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, can you share the board again?
Yes.
Ma'am,
No, ma'am.
can you share the board again?
Ah. Why I made that place value chart? Because it will be easy for me to place the numbers inside. Yes, who is calling?
In the book or book.
Yes.
Ma'am, Kirtanam.
Ma'am,
Kirtana.
Kirtana is asking you that we should write in workbook or rough book.
Workbook. We have to write in workbook. Finished, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. We are going to do last question.
Ma'am. Yes.
Children, please.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm giving time to ask, and I want no chatting here.
Okay.
1 minute. 1 minute. Okay. Okay. So, children, we have finished till question number 21.
Ma'am, I couldn't do question 20D.
Who is that?
Rosa.
Risa, you can do that as a homework. That is very easy question. Descending order. Yes. Okay. Now, who is going to read last question? Let me see. Mayuk finished. Devarsh. Okay, Devarsh, please unmute and read question number 22. Last.
Find the difference between the greatest and the smallest 5-digit number using the given digits.
Okay. Last class we have already discussed how to find the greatest number and smallest number from the given digits. Okay. Devarsh, can you tell me the digits given? Question number A.
4, 7, 6, 5 and 0.
0. Okay. Can you tell me the greatest number? Tell me the digits. 7 like that. 7.
7, 6, 5.
7, 6,
4,
5,
0.
4, 0. Okay, very good. So greatest digit you can write. And what about the smallest digit? Can you write 0 in the beginning?
No.
No. So we had to choose the next smallest number. Which is the next smallest number?
4.
4. Then we had to place
0.
4, 0.
5,
5,
6,
6,
7.
7. Okay. Then you had to find the difference. What do you mean by difference? What do you have to do?
Subtraction.
You have to
Subtract.
subtract. Very good. Okay, children, can we do? Yes? All of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Last question number 22. Question number 22A. And we have the digits 4, 4, 7, 6, 5 and 0. Okay. So they were told all the answer. Greatest number. Greatest number, how we can make? We can first take the biggest number. Here, the biggest number given is 7. So when we finish 7, we will cross. Otherwise, we will miss some number in between. 6, then 5, 4, 0. Very good. And they were also told that we cannot take the 0 in the beginning. We cannot take 0, smallest number. We cannot take 0 So we have to take the next small number. Look here, this number, this is in decreasing order. And we cannot write 0 in the beginning. So what we will write? 4, then 0, then 5, 6, 7. Backwards we can write 5, 6, 7. Okay, now all the children, I want you to find the difference alone. Difference. Difference between the greatest and smallest number. We have already found out the greatest number and we have to subtract smallest number from this. Find out alone, all the children. You know, if the number on the top is small, what you have to do? You have to borrow. Seven, 6, 5, 4, 0 minus 4, 0, 5, 6, 7. Krishnananda, can we do the subtraction together? Yes, Krishnananda, please unmute. Here, can you see the board? Okay. 0 is smaller than 7. So what will I do? Borrow. Here 4, we can, 1 minute. 4, we will take 1 from 4. Then 10 minus 7. What is 10 minus 7? Krishnananda, can you be louder? Yes? Nainika, please unmute. I cannot hear properly, Krishnananda.
Yes.
10 minus 7. 10 minus 7.
10 minus 7.
Look at the board and we are doing that subtraction. 10 minus 7. Nainika, we are in class for 10 minus 7 this much time.
3.
3. Okay. Here we cannot take 6 from 3. So again we will borrow here 4, 13 here. 13 minus 6. Minus 6.
30 minus 6, 7.
7. Okay. Now 4 I cannot take here. So what will I do? I will do again 5. Here 14 minus 5.
14 minus 5, 8.
Count again and check whether it is correct or wrong. 14 minus 5.
Ma'am, 14 minus 5 is 8.
8 plus 5 is 13, not 14. Yes, Aditi, can you help Nainika? Aditi, 14 minus 5.
8.
8 plus 5 is 13. So 14 minus
9.
5. 9. Yes, 9. See, after 5, you have to count. After 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. How many fingers? 9. Okay. Here, so here 5 minus 0. 5 minus 0 is 5 and 7 minus 4 is 3. So the answer, all of you got this answer. Check whether you got this answer. 3, 5, 9, 7, 3. 3, 5, 9, 7, 3. How to read this number? 35,973. Okay. Let me see how many got the correct answer. How many of you got the correct answer? The difference? Yes?
Ma'am, I got correct
Can you share that again?
Check whether your answer is correct and do question number B. Those children who have completed, do question number B alone. Same like this.
Ma'am, I correct.
Ah,
Ma'am,
so
mine
you
is
have
also
done.
correct.
Very good, very good. Now children, do the next question number B alone, faster. Greatest number, find out the greatest number, find out the smallest number, then find the difference. Same like A, you can do B. Jenica, please unmute. Jenica.
Yes, ma'am.
Can we do question number B?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, tell me the digits. The digits are 2, 3. I will write on the side. 2, 3, 1, 7, and 4. From these now digits, we have to make the greatest number. Can you tell me the greatest number? Yes, Jenica. Greatest number that can be formed using these digits?
74,000.
You can write 7. Then which digit?
4.
7 finish. Then 4.
3.
Then 3.
3.
Okay, very good. Then 2,
2.
1. Very good.
1.
Tell me that smallest number.
1.
Okay, 1,
2.
2, 3. You can write
3.
in the opposite way. Very good. And from 4, 7. So that is 12,347. Now find the difference. Find the difference between these two numbers. That is greatest and smallest. Find the difference between. Difference equal to, we have to subtract 7, 4, 3, 2, 1 minus 1, 2, 3, 4, 7. Find out the answer. Alessandra, can you please unmute?
51,980.
Felix, can you hear me? Felix, please unmute. Can you give me the answer?
Ma'am, can you repeat the question?
Who is asking me?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Felix, okay, look at the board. Friends, find out the difference. 7, 4, 3, 2, 1. Did you find out the answer? 1, 2, 3, 4, 7. Have you completed this answer?
Ma'am, I raised the hand because of to say something. Ma'am has disabled the chat. No.
Now I ask you this. Okay, now you can, did you find this answer? Now what do you want to ask me?
My battery is very low. Can you make little fast?
Little fast means what? We are going to finish
My
this.
phone battery.
Yeah. Only 1 minute, then our finish. We finished our period. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Here, find out the answer. Check, children, fast. The answer is correct or wrong. Six, 1, 9, 7, 4. Children, please check whether you got this correct answer. 6, 1, 9, 7, 4. So we have given 5 digits. From that, we have made greatest number. And also we have to find out the smallest number. Then you have to find the difference between these two numbers. And when you have found out the difference is 6, 1, 9, 7, 4. So this is the answer. Please check your... Okay, correct. Okay, children. So we have finished chapter 3.2. Okay, next next day we will start with our chapter 4. 3.3 we will take later, and chapter 4 addition and subtraction. Okay, children. So complete. If any questions is missing, please complete this. I have sent the notes, and you have to complete the math workbook and notebook. And next day we will start our chapter 4 addition. Okay, children.
Okay,
Bye.
ma'am.
Bye.
Bye. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Bye. Thank you.
Bye, ma'am.
Thank you.